Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I have come up with one more series of GD&T certification videos. So there were multiple questions within my network of professionals as well as the colleagues and my YouTube subscribers regarding the GD&T certification, how to go about it, what is the benefit of it, how to do this preparation, and most of the questions I thought would do a series of video to help all the folks there. So stay tuned for multiple videos related to GD&T certification. So majorly about me, quickly I'll introduce myself. I'm an engineering graduate in industrial engineering and management from Vishwesvaraya Technological University and India, and I did my tool and die making from NDTF, and then I also did precision engineering in precision machining from ITE Balestier. With I have a 20 plus years of industrial experience in different domains like manufacturing, semiconductor, and aerospace engineering and management. I am also ASME certified in geometric dimensioning and tolerancing professional. GDTP personal certification, there are two types. One is a technologist level and a senior level. So today we will discuss on the technologist level. The technologist level ASME certification is available in two standards as on today: ASME Y14.M 1994 or ASME Y14.5 2009. The technologist level examination emphasizes the applicant's knowledge of GD&T principles, concepts, and practices in accordance with ASME Y14.5 M-1994 or ASME Y14.5 2009. Certification indicates that the individual has demonstrated the competencies in understanding of the symbols, modifiers, and relationship of geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, that is nothing but GD&T, as applied to a engineering drawing and related documentation. In order to be certified as a technologist GDTP, the applicant must successfully pass the technologist GDTP examination. There is no experience requirement. Then for whom this certification will be appropriate? CAD designers and engineers, design engineers, product engineers, draft person, engineering managers, in case of tooling, CNC operators, machinist, tooling engineers, manufacturing engineers, in case of production, manufacturing and production managers, engineers, technicians, in case of quality and inspection, the person professional working in CMM operator, metrology specialist, quality managers, engineers, technicians, and inspectors, suppliers, quality engineers. So the technological certification holds good or will be a good to for the designers, professionals working in designs, production, quality, and inspection. Hope you enjoyed today's session. You find it informative. Please like, share, subscribe, comments. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Happy learning and stay tuned. Have a good day. Thank you.